Hello students. So I'm teaching here chapter 1 of class 6th. So the chapter name you might have known is Pattern in Mathematics. So this is very first class and the very first chapter of your new book. So this is the chapter name, by the way, and I'm taking every class, and every class will contain one subtopic of every chapter. So I'm not going chapter wise, rather I'm going like topic wise. So as you know, this is 1.1 topic of your chapter called Pattern Mathematics. So let's start. अभी यहाँ पूछा है कि व्हाट इज़ मैथमेटिक्स, तो फिर मैम आप बोलेंगे कि एडिशन मैथमेटिक्स है, सब्सट्रैक्शन मैथमेटिक्स है, या फिर काउंटिंग ऑफ नंबर्स लाइक 1 2 3, दीज ऑल आर मैथमेटिक्स. या दैट्स वेरी ट्रू, दीज आर मैथमेटिक्स. बट सिर्फ ये मैथमेटिक्स नहीं है. हमारी रोड्स कैसे बनती हैं, like there might be some measurement na, that we will put that white line you might have seen on the roads, this line, and what is the distance up to here and then up to here. So these all things are mathematics. जैसे जैसे आपकी क्लास बढ़ेगी वैसे वैसे आप न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे, न्यू चीज़ें सीखेंगे कि अच्छा ये भी मैथ्स था. या सो आपने देखा होगा बिल्डिंग. सपोज दिस इज़ अ बिल्डिंग एंड दिस बिल्डिंग हैज़ डिफरेंट फ्लोर्स. सो नाउ यू विल रियलाइज कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो भी हाइट है, विच इज़ वाई इट इज़ लाइक दैट. दिस ऑल आर मैथमेटिक्स. जब आप बड़े हो जाएंगे, आपकी 12th हो जाएगी, देन यू विल चूज डिग्री. सो द डिग्री इन बीटेक और आर्किटेक्चर, दे ऑल आर कंटेन मैथमेटिक्स. So mathematics, now we will read every line by line and understand each line of the chapter. So mathematics is in large part the search for patterns and for the explanations as to why those patterns exist. तो अब जैसे कुछ patterns होते हैं, patterns like for example हमने देखा pattern की है 1 2 3. So this is what? This is counting. So this is the pattern of counting. and अब ये pattern क्यों exist कर रहा है? क्योंकि ये numbers हैं, we learn numbers. So there are several patterns in mathematics. Now such patterns like square, pattern like triangle, these all are exist around us. आपने देखा होगा अपने घर में कि आपका रूम या तो स्क्वायर होगा, अगर ये स्क्वायर नहीं होगा तो मे बी इट कुड बी रेक्टेंगुलर. आपने हॉल्स देखे होंगे, दे माइट बी सर्कल. सो ये अपने घर में होते हैं, अपने आसपास होते हैं. एंड इन द मोशन ऑफ सन, मून एंड स्टार्स, वाई दे हैव रिटन मोशन, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा दिस इज सन, दिस इज वेरियस प्लैनेट्स, एंड ऑन नंबर 3 इज अर्थ. सो अर्थ है ना, वो एक एलिप्टिकल मतलब ऑलमोस्ट सर्कल, तो फिर ये एक पैटर्न में मूव करती है अराउंड सन. एंड जो मून है जो अर्थ के चक्कर काटता है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पैटर्न, इट ऑल्सो मूव इन अ सर्कुलर मैनर अराउंड द अर्थ. सो हम आगे देखते हैं कि दे आर इन एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू एंड सी, फ्रॉम शॉपिंग एंड कुकिंग टू थ्रोइंग अ बॉल. शॉपिंग में हम क्या करते हैं? शॉपिंग में वी टेक फ्यू क्लॉथ्स and they do are of few like rate, and rate is mathematics, how much a cloth is. Next, and in cooking, why cooking? Because cooking में हम कुछ quantity लेते हैं, and quantity for example कि हमें इस चीज़ में इतनी चीनी डालनी है या फिर हमें इतना नमक मिलाना है, that quantity is part of mathematics. to throwing a ball, हम देखते हैं कि हम अगर इस स्पीड से फेंकेंगे तो फिर बॉल ऐसे जाएगी. तो स्पीड विच इज़ अगेन मैथ्स. एंड प्लेइंग टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेदर पैटर्न्स. या वेदर पैटर्न्स में भी मैथ्स लगता है कि कितने रेट से तूफान आ रहा है, कितने रेट से हवा चल रही है, अपने विंड स्पीड. इट्स ऑल पार्ट ऑफ वेदर पैटर्न्स. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो मैथ्स. एंड यूजिंग टैक, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी टैक यूजेज मैथ्स फॉर वेरियस थिंग्स. Now the search for pattern and their explanations can be fun and creative endeavor. Yeah, search for patterns around you. You can see various things around you which is all maths. For example, let us consider कि आप अपने घर से स्कूल जा रहे हैं, तो आप देखोगे कि कितना दूर का रास्ता है. तो इट्स ऑल मैथ्स कि हाउ मच किलोमीटर्स आर देयर, मे बी 3 किलोमीटर और 2 किलोमीटर, एनीथिंग. इट इज़ मैथ्स. So this year like in your 6th class, this year means we hope that you will get a chance to see creativity and artistry involved in discovering and understanding mathematical patterns very well. So now it is important to keep in mind that mathematics aims to not just find out what patterns exist but also explanation why they exist. Yeah, it's very true. So maths is not कि sun के around earth क्यों मतलब घूम रही है, that's fine. in circular manner में घूम रही है, circular pattern में घूम रही है, that's very well. but why it is moving in circular direction only? तो अभी के लिए आप सुन लीजिए, मे बी इट्स नॉट इन. जो ये अर्थ है उसको वो सन की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होती है, विच इज़ अ फोर्स attractive force that sun has, which like attract all the planets around it, and there is a force existing on it so that it is moving in circular direction or maybe elliptical direction around the sun. So such explanation can often be used in applications well beyond the context in which they were discovered, which can then help to propel humanity forward. Now for example, yeah, they're giving example now. Okay, for example, the understanding of patterns in motion, yeah, motion of stars, planets, and the satellites led humankind to develop the theory of gravitation. Yeah, gravitation is uh, like two forces are attracting to two bodies are attracting towards each other. Is it is because of gravitation only, allowing us to launch our own satellite and send rock to the moon and to the rockets. Okay, it is cut rocket to the moon and to the Mars. Similarly, understanding the pattern in yeah. Similarly, understanding patterns in genomes. This word I know how it is erased, but yeah, it is genomes has helped in diagnosing and curing diseases. Genome, these all are part of biology. You will read it in your later stage of education, maybe in 9th class or so. Yeah, among thousands of such other examples. Yeah, so now we will do this figure it out, which is given just below the topic 1.1. So can you think of other examples where mathematics can help us in everyday lives? Of course we can think of many examples. For example, I can give you like 5 examples here. Number one is buying maybe fruits or veggies, like vegetables. So for example, a fruit seller said that 1 kg of mango is of 60 rupees. Now you said that I only need half kg of mangoes. Okay, so definitely you will buy half kg and it will be of 30 rupees. So this is all maths, that the 1 kg of mango costs 60, like cost 60, and you have just bought half kg, which is of rupees 30. So it's all maths. Numbers, wait, okay, the second example is may be the speed of a car, bus, train, etc. So when we go to a place, say A to B, or maybe you can take anything. So when you go, so you know the distance is 3 kilometer. Now you have time, for example, maybe you have time of half an hour or maybe 30 minutes. Okay, so this is all maths. I have to cover this much of distance in this much of time is all about maths. Now okay, other examples. So it here maths only helped you to calculate your speed, that for like about this, मतलब कि मैं इस स्पीड पे चलूँगा तो फिर मैं ऐसे इतने टाइम में पहुँचूँगा, the desired time. This is maths. And what other examples we can take? I'll give you 4, and 5th one you have to comment where we have used maths in our daily lives. So third example can be a very simple example. I will give you reading. Wait, yeah, reading books page by page. So for example, you have to cover 30 pages in 2 days. So if you want to read 30 pages in 2 days, so it is very clear कि आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आप एक दिन में कितना पढ़ें, जो कि आप, और मे बी वी कैन से इन 3 days फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सो आप देखोगे कि आप 3 दिन हैं आपके पास, आपको 30 पेजेस पढ़ने, तो आप पर डे कितना पढ़ें कि आप अपना सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर लें. सो वी कैन क्लियरली सी कि अगर हम 10 पेज डेली पढ़ेंगे, 10 पेज डेली पढ़ेंगे, तो 3 दिन में वी कैन कंप्लीट दिस बुक of 30 pages. So that's how you like use maths in very simple task like reading a book. Also clearly when you are watching this video, तो फिर आप देखोगे कि कितने में, मतलब कितने देर की ये वीडियो है. आई शुड लाइक मेक नोट्स और मे बी अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो हम कितने में हैं, कितने टाइम की ये वीडियो है, एंड while recording this, so I have to make sure that it should be below half an hour. So I have to strategize this video so that I can cover this whole video in particular time, and some way of counting time and setting time is part of maths only. So now this is your homework. I want you to comment down in the video below कि how much time how much time, like, I'm sorry, you have to give one example of maths which you like use daily, in your like daily tasks, or while in school, or while studying, that you use, which is a part of maths only, but you realize it later, oh, this is maths also. Okay, so our second figure it out is, how has mathematics helped propel humanity forward? So they gave key, you might think of examples involving carrying out scientific experiments. Yeah, when you will grow, then you will go to chemistry labs. तो scientific experiments में for हम देखेंगे कि अगर हम for example हम 1 gram of acid मिलाएंगे, let's take hydrochloric acid to any liquid, so the reaction will takes place. So it is a part of कि how much amount we will take particular acid to mix in maybe solvent to carry out the reaction. So yeah, this is the scientific experiment, like we have that's how mathematics help propel humanity forward. Now second is running our economy कैसे? तो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि a term called GDP. So GDP is calculated by a formula where maths is used. So that's how calculating GDP, calculating the income, calculating the expenditure, what we are spending, what we are buying, या फिर demand हो गई, जैसे कि demand हो गया, supply हो गया, everything is maths. How they are calculating, and now they put everything to calculate the GDP. Got it? And democracy. How democracy? आप कहोगे कि ये क्या है, मतलब कि हम अगर अपना लीडर चुन रहे हैं, हम अगर अपना पीएम चुन रहे हैं, तो हाउ वहाँ पे कैसे मैथ्स लगेगी? सो वेरी सिंपल, हम वोट देने जाते हैं. व्हेन यू विल गेट 18+ यू विल गो एंड गिव वोट. सो जब हम वोट देने जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे अगर हम अपना प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बोलेंगे, बट हम बोलेंगे अगर हम अपना एमपी का सिलेक्शन कर रहे हैं कि कौन बनेगा, देन वी यूज़ अ मेथड फॉर काउंटिंग द वोट्स विच इज़ कॉल्ड एफ फर्स्ट पास द पोस्ट. So this is a method, you will learn it later. So this uses a formula which is all maths. So democracy में भी you can see clearly कि how maths is using here. Building bridges, yeah, building bridges कि हम कितना एंगल लें, कितने एंगल पे ये पिलर खड़ा करें जिससे कि ब्रिज स्टेबल रहे, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहे. या इट्स वेरी ट्रू. बिल्डिंग द ब्रिजेस, हाउसेस एंड अदर कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर. या आई टोल्ड यू ना, हाउस हम कैसे क्रिएट करें जो कि हम इस स्पेस को अगर हमारे पास इतना ही स्पेस है, हमें काफ़ी कुछ चाहिए कि हमें 3 बेडरूम चाहिए. सो मैथ्स इज़ रिक्वायर्ड कि हम इतना ऐसे अगर बनाएंगे तो फिर इतना डिज़ायर्ड हम अपना घर बना सकेंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल मैथ्स. मेकिंग टीवीज, मोबाइल फोन्स, कंप्यूटर्स, बाइसिकल, ट्रेन्स, कार्स, प्लेन्स, कैलेंडर, क्लॉक्स, एटसेट्रा, एवरीथिंग इज मैथ. अब आप कहेंगे कि मेकिंग टीवीज, मोबाइल फोन्स, TVs में भी we have a few films inside it, or we can say semicons inside it. We are placing it in a manner so that the space is utilized judicially. Computers is all about math. So you might have heard of binary system, which is constituting of 0 and 1. Bicycles have this tires which are round in shape. So it's all maths ki how a chain is chain is there to carry out, and it's rotating circular just because of chain which you paddle. So it's all maths. Trains, yeah, trains carry number of coaches which constitute a whole train. They are attached in a manner so that the force it takes is minimum. Cars, yeah, cars, engines, to maintain the efficiency we use mass planes में हम जो उसके wings होते हैं वो कैसे कितने tilt होने चाहिए जिससे कि less pressure create हो, less friction create हो while flying. So it's all is maths. Calendars, yeah, calendars is a great part of maths. Calendar, when you will grow, you will learn that calendar do repeat. Yeah, they do. And clocks, how the three you might have seen hour hand, minute hand, and the second hand. So all these are move simultaneously. It's because here is application of maths only. So these are the examples. This is what we have learned today. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, or if you want me to teach you in a certain manner, or should I teach in English only, or should I continue use English for explanations. And do this homework, give me one example where you use maths in your day-to-day life. So thank you. Subscribe this channel and stay connected for next subtopic. Okay, this is your topic, what is maths, and of chapter 1. This is a chapter 1. So let me do know. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.